Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out notification receipt records of every day in any Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you. Here I have received some notification, as you can see here. So I have removed it suddenly. It's not it. So now you can see any notification records. So how you can find out the notification receipt records of every day in any Android smartphone. So for this, what you need to do, there is simple tricks. You can go to settings or anywhere and you can find this kind of notification receipt records. So here's a simple tricks. So just tap and hold on your home screen, and here you can see a widgets. Just select widgets, just scroll down, and here you can see one settings. As you can see here, settings. So just tap and hold and just place it on your blank home screen, anywhere you can place. So here you will see some setting shortcuts. So here you can see a notification log, right? Just select it. So the shortcuts for notification log has been created. Now when you tap on it, it will show you the notification receipt records that you have received today, and sometimes it will show you the earlier days, like yesterday's, if there is a space. It depends on how much notification you receive in a single day. So most probably sometimes it shows present or daily notification details, but if there you have received less than what it shows, then it might show you the other days notification receipt records too. So what you have received in your notification, that will display here in the notification logs. So if you never known how to find out notification receipt records of every day in any Android smartphones, then this is the way to find out. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely try it out. And if you're in a need of suddenly when you remove a notification, then you are in a need of sometimes to find out what notification did I receive at what time. So you can just use these tricks to find out at what time what notification you have received on your Android smartphones. So this tricks is very useful if you want to find out the notification receipt records of every day in your Android smartphones. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.